So yesterday I showed you how to install, not yesterday, but in the previous video I showed you how to install WordPress and how to configure the basic plugins, etc. In this video what we're going to show you is how to install Google Analytics, create new posts and pages. I will show you the difference, how to add a security plugin, configure permalink, yes, permalink, that's very important, how to configure the comment section, which is simple, and how to add a Facebook like button. Haven't done that for a while, so let's get into it directly right now. Okay, so I'm already in the backend right now, but for those who don't know, for the newbies, when you get, I'll just show you how to get in the backend of your WordPress site that you just installed. Right now you've got the meta here, and then you will have the login link if you're not logged in. But yeah, let's say you just installed your website, your blog, you want to log in, right? So you come to meta here and then you click on login. Otherwise, one principle that you need to remember is always type wp-admin. So it's always your domain /wp-admin, and then press enter, and here you go. This is the backend interface for login, and we'll just get in straight away. Right, so first things first, what we need to show you today is how to add Google Analytics plugin. So that's very simple. We'll go to the plugins, find the appropriate plugin to add Google Analytics. So we'll come here and type Google Analytics. One of the main things that you need to get out of whatever we're teaching you, whatever I'm teaching you right now, is the principle, because plugins always going to change. There's always going to be new plugins, new types of themes, and new types of widgets. But the principle stays the same. Where you go to find them, how you add them, how you remove them, how to activate and how to deactivate a plugin. Okay, so you can see the stars here on the screens. These are rated by you and me, by general public, so you can rely on that. You can see what they say about the plugin. Okay, let's try Google Ultimate Google Analytics. I'm just reading about it a bit, but you can always try all of them. That should not be a problem. Yeah, you can hear roosters at mine, but this is, yeah, I'm in Mauritius right now, if I didn't mention that earlier. But I'm in beautiful Mauritius. It's 28 degrees today and it's fantastic weather. So I really need to beat myself to come and do videos right now instead of being on the beach. Yeah, so I just installed Ultimate Google Analytics plugin. Yeah, so now what I need to do is I need to add my Google Analytics code here. So what I need to do is go in my Google Analytics account and get my account ID, which looks like this. Right, so I'm assuming that you already know how to get a Google Analytics account. If you have a Google account, you have a Gmail account, you can easily get it. Just go on Google and type Google Analytics, and then you just follow the instructions. It's very easy. So right now we need to put Google Analytics on this domain, which is itsecurityexplained.com. right, so where do we go for it? We go here, remove the free w.itsecurity.com. so that's done. The account name is itsecurity.com. Time zones, we are in Mauritius right now, right, not in freezing London for the moment. Continue. Okay, so that's Rajiv, and first name, no, sorry, that's the other way around. But yeah, all these, you can't really, it's things that you can always change afterwards, so not really bothered about doing it. Yes, I always agree. Just get on to it. We're trying to be quick, guys, because we've only got about 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes in this video, so I hope you enjoying it and I hope you can follow what I'm doing. But if you have any questions, don't hesitate to get in touch with me. I'm just waiting for this to load. Right, so you can see the Google account ID, Google Analytics account ID here. So I'll just copy that and paste it into here. Right, so you see the format, it's UA dash the number and dash X, right? So there you go. And then we just update the options. Right, so it's like basically we've saved it. Now it will take some time for it to appear, as in it will take some time for it to appear on Google Analytics, so probably 24 hours. We just save it and finish here. And as from like within 24 hours you will be able to see the reports. Right now you see the status is not tracking. It's not tracking right now because it's going to take some time to be enabled by Google Analytics. Right, so that's done. Next step, what do we do next? Creating SEO friendly posts and pages. Interesting. Right, so right now what you see on top of the page, on top of the site here, this is a page. When say I click on about, this is a page as well. You can see on top of the page it says page ID is equal to 2. That is a bit geek, right? I don't know, it doesn't really mean anything to me and would probably not mean much to most of you out there, right? So we want this page to say, when we click on about, we want it to say itsecurityexplained.com/about as well. And how do we do this? Well, this boils down to a permalink. I was going to show you how to do a permalink. I will show you how to do permalinks. That's very simple. It's just one button that you need to click. You go on here, permalinks, and then you choose. The default one is what we just saw, which is p equal to number, right? So we want it in a very much more structured way so that it's readable. So for example, we could put it like month and name, for instance. Okay, and then we just click on save changes. Right, and say for example here we create a page called let's go back to that page and see if there is any changes. Should be. Woohoo! That's what we wanted. So basically we wanted itsecurityexplained.com/about, and this is exactly what we got. Right, so this URL is called an SEO friendly URL. You may have heard about it so many times, but that's all it is. It means that the URL contains the keywords that you might want, right? So say for example this blog is talking about IT security, right? So I could go and create a post, add new post, and we'll talk about basic security on laptops, right? So basic security on laptops is the keyword I want to target, okay? And this will be my text with all the keywords I have, right? So how to make this page, or how to make this post, sorry, SEO friendly? So main thing we start with is the URL. So this should appear, as you can see here, this basic security on laptops is in the URL, so it's already SEO friendly. It's not p is equal to something, right? Then we go down the page, we see that you can see the all-in-one SEO plugin, and then you can change the title here. You can say basic security on laptop, right? And then you can type the description here as you want it, and make sure that you always give a very detailed description of whatever page and post that you're creating. This helps you get ranked on Google properly. Say for example you have 10 pages on your website or blog and all the pages have got the same meta description. Google will think it's the same content, whereas you would want to target different keywords on by using different pages, right? So make sure you change the meta description on each page, and then also you need to put your keyword here, keyword. So in this case it is basic security on laptops, for example, right? So we can put that under a category as well. We can say add a new category here. We call it security, call it laptop, right? And then we add new category. All this just helps for SEO purposes, right? Click on publish. Most of the time what I do is I always delete the first post, which is there. Let's just go to the posts that are there and delete the hello world post. This one just, you know, move to trash, right? So here we should, if we come back to home, we should have a new post, which is basic security on laptops. Here you go. Now if you click on the link, you'll see that this is the link, and you've got a perfect post right now, right? So the next thing that I'll show you is how to add a page, and you see the difference. The post will appear here, the title comes on top here, but the page should appear on top in terms of navigation, right? So add a new page. We've got a page about, so let's talk about a contact page, for instance. Yeah, it would have been good if I would show you how to add a contact form, but right now we're not doing this. Just pick this up. Yeah, so contact page, yeah. Publish. Obviously, like I said, you know, you need to put all your meta descriptions, etc., etc. Right, so obviously on the contact page you can always add your contact details, etc., and then you can find plugins where you can put contact forms. That would be a good homework for you guys. So go and find a contact form plugin that you can add on the contact page. You'll see there's loads out there, right? So what we need to cover now is how to add a Facebook like button and how to configure comments. Let's check the comments bit, right? I have just tried a plugin for Facebook like, but let me just check if it's here. Okay, let me just delete it first before, so that I show you how I installed it. Obviously I needed to test it before I show you guys. Right, so first things first, let's go to the discussions setting. You get that here under settings, click on discussion. The main thing that you need to pay attention to is this: an administrator must always approve the comment. You don't want to have like millions of spam comments, yeah? So you want to add you want to approve every single comment that goes on your website. As soon as you start getting traffic, as soon as your website starts becoming popular, you will have tons of spam comments. And obviously, yes, we will talk about that Akismet plugin later on, how to block spam. So yes, the main thing to remember here is to tick this checkbox and then save the changes. Right, so next thing we wanted to talk about the Facebook plugin. Let's see if it's, I'm trying to remove this so that I show you how to install it again. It's not going. Right, Facebook likes you. Let's just delete this. Apply, should go, yeah? Oh, we need to deactivate it first so that it will, otherwise it won't go. So it's good to have these type of problems so that you know how to troubleshoot when you're stuck sometimes. Right, apply. Yes, delete these files, and we're done. Here you go, it's not here anymore. So yes, let's go and find a Facebook like plugin and configure it. Started raining at mine. Like box widget, Facebook likes you. Okay, let's try this one. There's loads of plugin that you can try, guys, but like I said, right now what you need to get from all this is the principle, right? So you see where I go and find it. Now it says that you can put your own Facebook app ID here. You can generate that by going, just Google it, you will see it's quite simple. The next thing here is that you can add this Facebook like button wherever you want in a post. So say for example I go on a post here, and we're talking about the basic security on laptops, and then I want to add the Facebook like button at the bottom of the page. I just put it here, right, and click update, and I come back to the home page. When I go to this post, the Facebook like button should be appearing here at the bottom. Here you go, so you can like it. Excellent. So we've covered everything that we had to cover today. We covered permalink, and we covered adding security plugin to WordPress as well. Fantastic. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this helps. If you've got any questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch with me on rajivkistu@gmail.com. In the next training video, what we'll show you is how to add an opt-in, how to add a video and an image, and how to create a fixed homepage. For example, sometimes you don't want your site to look like a blog. You want it to look like a website with a fixed homepage. So we'll show you how to do this. We'll also show you how to add Google Webmaster Tools. Let me just, this is a typo here. You can hear roosters. That's my friend's roosters. So yeah, we're talking about Google Webmaster Tools, and I'll also show you how to submit a sitemap to Google so that you can get indexed within 24 hours. Thank you for watching. I'll send you the next video in 2 days. Watch out. Take care and bye for now.